So another project. Picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace. This is a Coolster 125. This is utility model. This one, they started taking it apart to put a new body on it. The body's cracked up. My son's birthday is next weekend, so I'm gonna fix this up, clean it up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a new body on it. I forgot to take the seat off of it on my way home, or when I left with it, and I lost the seat on my way home, so I gotta get a seat for it. I've already found one, so I'll have to pick that up. And like I said, a seat. We'll put a body on it. I did retrace my driving and could not find the seat, so that was unfortunate. I should have taken it off. I didn't think about it. I put all these other parts in the toolbox and didn't think to take the seat off. Like I said, they were taking it apart to put a body on it, and then it just sat up. They never put a body on it. It sat. It was supposedly running, or it was in their garage, so it hasn't sat out the whole time. Maybe it sat out for a while, but at least hasn't been sitting out forever. Got all those parts. They bagged up all the pieces. I think the only thing that I noticed that was missing is the light bulbs are out of it. So, because they undid the headlights, the headlight wiring is down there, but they did not put a put the bulbs in the bag. So I'll have to pick up some bulbs for the headlights. So, like I said, the body's missing a few chunks, it's cracks. It's in good shape on the back. The plastics on these Chinese ATVs are pretty sorry. They don't hold up real well. Let's see, this one's busted out over here too, around the ignition switch, right in here. So I could try epoxying it, but I found a guy who's got bodies for these, brand new, 50 bucks. So as long as he's got one for it, from the picture of his ad on OfferUp, there was one that looked like this, so it should fit. So we'll pick one up and put a new body on it. So I did put my jump pack on it, make sure it would turn over, and it does. So let's just see if it'll start. Let's see if the gas is turned on. I'm sure the carburetor is going to have to be cleaned out. It is off. Gas is off. Yeah. So let's turn the gas on. The gas that's in it doesn't smell bad. So maybe they did have the gas turned off. So maybe we'll get lucky on this thing. I'm having trouble getting a good connection here. Turn the key. I don't know if that's the ignition switch turns. I got the brake locked down. Jump pack on now. Must not have a good connection. Alright, so we got that on there. I couldn't get a good connection with the jump pack. I took the old battery out, bolted that in there. That thing's got like 11.6 volts in it, so I went ahead and hooked the jump pack up to that. So now we've got ignition. So we got the gas on. Let's put the choke up. Check for spark. See if I got a screwdriver. What do I have? That'll work. Need 3 arms here. Alright, we got spark. Not sure if y'all could see that. So we got spark. And we're not firing. Or we are firing, but we're not. Engine's not firing off. So, just about fell out of this truck. Let me grab a screwdriver. Actually, let's try something. I hate when the spray nozzles come off with stuff in the caps. We got it choked. Did. All right, well, it tried to start, so I think we're going to do 2 things. We're going to take that in and put it on the charger. Let's cut the fuel back off. What we want to do is we'll clean the battery terminals. This battery is just not going to work, but we can get that one good enough, and we'll get it cleaned up where we can actually get a good connection on it. And maybe we can boost it, but we'll see if we can get some charge in that one just for our testing purposes. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the carburetor off. Like I said, I'm going to shut the gas off and we'll pull the carburetor off. And go ahead and open it up and see if we can get it cleaned out and get this thing running. Fired off the starting fluids. That, to me, that proves we got an issue with the carburetor.